second tutorial of how to make some Scratch projects. So first, now I'm going to teach you how to make a money giving tutorial. Like it's how to get like free money. It's actually quite simple. There's going to be some advanced stuff, but thankfully there's a tutorial now. So let's start. So the sprite is going to be named, there's actually just going to be one sprite in this, but it's going to be sprite, I'm just going to call it money giver, but it's just MG, MG. Alright, so I'm just going to make this a box. I have another project. It's on my Scratch account, which is called Iron Helix Games, so you can check it out. This is not going to be actually posted, but this is just to show you through this video. All right, so let's start. So we're going to do a when flag clicked. We're going to make a block. It's going to be called say. It's just called say. And then we're going to do add an input, and then we're just going to set this to text. So now we're going to do okay. So now we have this. So we're going to do say I can give you money for free. Now we're going to do a define say text. So we're going to need two variables. So let's just take this out, delete the my variable. And we're going to make one called say and make another one called letter. All right. So now we're going to first do set letter. Actually, set say and set letter. So set say to just delete everything inside. And we're going to do a repeat block. And then we're going to go to operators and go to length of, and then we're going to take this right here and text. This text is this. You see, this is like, so text stands for whatever this part it says. So repeat length of text, and we're going to do change letter by 1. So let's see. Every character is one part of the length. So for how much this is, that's how much it's going to repeat. Next, we're going to do set. We're going to do a set say join, and then we're going to do a letter this of text. So now we're going to go to set say to say letter of text. So then we're just going to put say, which kind of funny. And then we're going to do a wait 0.0005 seconds. You can change how much between every letter, and honestly, you can actually just put the say, but this will actually look different. So once we finish this, I'll show you what it actually looks like. So 1.5. All right, 1.5. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's not working. 1.5, and then we're just gonna put say nothing. Now, this might look complicated, but it'll actually make sense now. As look, there. It actually. Oops, sorry. I am going to hide these variables, and now, as you can see, it actually shows it looks like it's typing it down. So now, next part is going to do. We're going to broadcast a message. if you watched my previous one, how to make a scrolling map, you might understand what the broadcast does. We're just going to set this to message 1, and we're going to make another variable called ask. You cannot actually use this my blocks for asking things, because when you ask something, it'll actually give you a bar to type it in. So we're going to and here, there's where the ask is. So here, ask, and then we're going to go to and put ask in there. And before the game, before the thing starts, we're going to do set ask to how much money do you want? Enter number. So it's going to ask that, and then it's going to broadcast another message 1, which is going to be a new one called, it's just going to be a message 2, I guess. I just want to make this look formal-ish. So now we're going to create another variable called dots. This will make sense because when it shows processing, like processing, it's gonna have like little dots coming out. So now we are going to go to when I receive message 2, forever wait 0.4 seconds. 0.4 seconds. Set dots to 1. Set dots to 1. Like this. 1, and then copy. Set dots to 2. And then we're going to do another one like this. And then set dots to 3. Alright, now we are going to make a thing called a list. So it's going to be called processing. Alright, now we are going to do add processing dot, only 1 dot, and then processing 2 dots. You can zoom if you like, if you can't actually properly see this, and the 3rd dot. Alright, there we go. Now, we are going to do a repeat loop, length of answer times 3. Of answer times 3. Alright, so we're going to do 3. This is the multiplication variable with the asterisk. And we're going to do answer times 3. Answer times 3 is going to have a different one. So we're going to do length of answer times 3. So make sure you put this in the right order. And if I did it wrong, I will check again. So we are going to do await 0.4 seconds. 0.4. And then say right, so now say item dots of processing. So it's going to wait, and then it's going to show this. Now, after it's done, we are going to do another say block. Say you now have, and then, oh yeah, this is where it gets really, really complicated. There's going to be a lot of joins. You say you now have, then $, answer, and then we're going to actually do another join answer dot 00. So you now have this. Yeah. Actually, I'm going to, and then I'm just going to do a little complement after. .00. And then just going to say space, please come again. So now the ask will just be like useless, which is why, let me hide the processing list. And then we're just going to do the same exact thing. We are just going to copy this. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean add comment. Oh yeah, I can't. So I'm just going to duplicate this. And then we are going to take this out and take out the text bits. And we are going to replace the top part with when I receive message 1. And remember, message 1 was when before the ask was. So now we're going to do repeat length of ask. And then here where the apple is, there. So now, then we just do a stop all. And there we go. So now we have an officially fully working money giving machine. Yeah, this looks very complicated. So yeah, all right, let's see. I can give you money for free. All right, how much money do you want? See, that's actually an ask, but it gives this, and it has to, you have to enter a number, otherwise it will not look good. So I'll just do like this much money. I mean, that's how much money I would like. So now it's gonna do the processing. See, and that's what the processing list was for, and the dots. So it just doesn't repeatedly. I did that, so I don't have to repeatedly keep on like. So I don't have to repeatedly keep on like doing setting process and forever and forever and forever, which is quite cool. So now it's processing. Now have this much money. Yeah, so that's all. So now I'm actually, so this is actually it. It's a lot of blocks. So if I check correctly, there are 63 blocks in this, which is kind of cool. So that's all for today. I'll come with another tutorial soon. So bye for now. Peace out.